like concept of what I wanted for a first one and who is actually doing it. Those were the two biggest factors.
Yeah. Alrighty then, it is beautiful out. I am pretty excited for today. We have a very wind noise. A very, very, very special tattoo today. It's an honor. It's gonna be a really special one. So I'm excited. My buddy Derek's coming over in a couple hours. But in the meanwhile, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I've got hose. I've got hose.
Different area code. Area code.
First part about certain pieces that you put together when the motor's out of the car, sometimes the clamps are facing the wrong way. Now that's when you just chop them snitches off. I have like these booty clamps on the heater core. Not too thrilled about the quality of these bad boys.
Wow. This is amazing. Look at this old table. Look at this awesome car.
I'm pretty sure this is the issue. Come on, focus, baby. Yikes. Out with the old and with the new, baby.
When you're inside, it just looks like a rainbow. Look.
I see it, Lena. It's magic. Guys, I have to wrap it up. Derek's an hour away, which is my calling of I have to get ready. I didn't get really that dirty because my gloves, you know what I'm saying? So, alright guys, but for real, we're gonna get to work. Lena, we gotta go. I gotta go inside now. And gonna get ready. Here we go. It's party time. It's ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna get ready, get mentally ready. Woo! What's up guys? So I didn't film an outro the night of. We didn't get done till late, but I was like blown away by this experience. Like this is like it's like so humbling, so like honored that someone would want for Derek wanted his very first tattoo to be pretty much like our logo, and it's like the coolest. It was the coolest experience. He flew down to South Carolina to pick up his friend that's moving back to New Hampshire, and on the way he stopped by and wanted to get this piece we drew up for him. With the logo with roses, and it was such a cool experience, and especially just getting back into tattooing. The amount of support is just humbling, and it just makes me feel that I found my purpose again. It just made me realize that this is why I'm here, and it's like one of those experiences where it's like just take in every second, and we just had hours. I mean, it was a small piece, but I spent hours on it, and it was just really cool hanging out with someone with like a really cool, unique mind. And we were talking to, like, I'm looking through the footage. I'm seeing if I captured some of the conversation, but we had really good conversation about like what the word "because" means to him, and it was really cool. It was like the story is not over. We're continuing to search for our purpose. We're continuing to seek for like our truth, our cause, and it's really cool because like that's what it means to me. But for someone to reside, I guess you could say, someone to feel that themselves is like such an honor. It's so cool. It's crazy. I was kind of like, I left. He left. We hung out for like a little bit afterwards, and then once he left, I was just like, I sat on the couch for like an hour, and I was like, wow, it's just really cool because it's, you know, we've been at it. That's just crazy. It's like, it leaves me like speechless, and I don't know what to say. I don't even know how to act, and I'm just beyond honored to be able to not only like do the tattoo, but also and like somewhat inspire someone. And it's so cool. Like for me, just having an impact on one person is like the coolest thing ever, because like we all struggle and we all trying to make their best lives, and it's just really cool. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know how long it is. I don't think it's that long. Yeah, it's not that long because I pieced, this is like a middle of the day. I filmed in the morning and then filmed at night, and then the next day working on my cars. And so it's like right in the middle of the day, and I didn't want to include like that much car stuff in here, just because I wanted to live with the idea, live with the subject is the tattoo, and I think it came out great. I'm always learning. I tried out a very, very cool technique, and it worked out really well. It was just a different technique of shading, and it allows you to blend your gradients better, and it worked really well. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be dope. So I'm excited. I have next one. I'll probably do the next. I don't know. I think the next one's I'm gonna do on my leg, just because like I have a whole thigh that's open. I'm just designing it right now, trying to conceptualize the idea. But man, what a cool experience, and I'm so thankful. Thankful for the support. I mean, that's like so ridiculous, and I'm beyond humbled and just blown away. It's so cool, and I don't know, it's really cool, and I'm excited. But I want to get this video out tonight at 7:52. Hopefully you see it within the next 30 minutes. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. Literally, thank you so much. This is crazy, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna get there. I need you to like this video and make sure you tell your friends. Go follow on Instagram and all that good stuff. So I love you guys. Holla at